In this video, I will be designing some mugs. Cricut has several products that are great for personalizing mugs. However, I get confused as to which product works best, so I'm testing out 2 different products from Cricut. This first mug, I am using the Cricut Infusible ink. I got some inspiration from the internet and traced my design onto the Infusible ink sheets. Cut it out and position it on the mug. This Infusible ink product only works on sublimation products, which are materials meant for printing like promotional products. Do not try this with any other mugs as they will not work. Here I am using heat-resistant tape. Remember not to use regular tape as it will melt in the oven. I covered every inch of the image to secure it tightly, or else the color on the sheet will not transfer correctly. Do not layer your image over any tape. If you have another method of securing your sheet in place like a mug wrap, then you don't need to use the heat tape. Make sure the colorful side of the ink is pressed against the mug. That is how the ink is transferred from the sheet to the mug. Also note that the image that you cut will be reversed as you flip the image to secure it onto the mug. I put the mug in the oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Once it's done, leave it to cool down before removing the tape. Now let's see what the mug looks like. The colors transfer onto the mug and leave a smooth surface. The colors are much brighter after the oven process than it originally appears on the sheet. I'm very happy with this result. The next product that I tested is the Cricut vinyl sheets. I use any mug for this project, and it does not require heating. I'm making half of a heart shape and positioning it on the opposite side of the handle. I am using a hole puncher to cut out small circles. The vinyl sheet works as a decal, so once you are done with your cutout, then peel off the backing and stick it onto the mug surface. I've washed these mugs many times in the dishwasher as well as hand washed them. And the product does not rub off. It stays on very well. I'm happy with my results. There you have it. 2 ways to customize your own mugs. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.